Hi there! In this video, we'll talk about the importance of carbohydrates. We know it is important to eat a variety of foods from each of the food groups every day. This provides adequate nutrition in the form of a variety of macronutrients, fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. Eating a variety of foods also helps provide the balance of vitamins and minerals your body needs to be healthy. However, restricting any food group can be unhealthy and does not promote a balanced diet. Specifically, severely restricting carbohydrates is not healthy and can cause ketosis. We know that carbohydrates are the preferred form of energy for our bodies. So, what is ketosis? Ketosis is when the body uses fat for energy because the food does not have enough carbohydrates for the body to use for energy. Using fat is not an efficient way to supply your body with energy. Ketones are a byproduct of this process. They are acids that build up in the blood and leave the body through the urine. In small amounts, they indicate that the body is breaking down fat. However, high levels of ketones can poison the body, leading to a condition called ketoacidosis. Some symptoms of ketosis include headache, fatigue, irritability, brain fog, as well as constipation, nausea, dizziness, bad breath, cramps, and sore muscles. Although the ketogenic diet is popular, it is important to continue to eat a balanced meal with all the major food groups. If you are concerned about losing weight or want to try a weight loss plan, please consult with a nutrition professional such as a registered dietitian nutritionist. They can provide you with evidence-based information on ways to lose weight in a healthy manner.